In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Sierra Chart. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside Sierra Chart, you want to click on the Tools tab up top, and then here you will see it says Zoom In. So click on that, and then you should have a check mark next to it. And then to actually zoom in, you want to select an area of your chart you want to zoom in. So, for example, this bit over here, you want to left click where you want it to start, and you can then drag this kind of the white square or rectangle, whatever you want to call it, and then you can just left click again wherever you want it to end, and this is going to zoom in that portion of your chart. Okay, so that's how you do it. And then you can of course go ahead and do this again for a like this for a specific part again. And then if you want to zoom out, you could go to Tools again, click on Cancel Zoom In, and it's basically going to go back to normal. Or you could just go to Tools, click on Pointer to actually disable that, and then that's pretty much it. So that's how you zoom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.